This short video is a tutorial on how to add a company site in Interconsult 21's open architecture, category-based, business-to-business and customer-to-business search engine. The search engine is for companies and organizations with valid ID and their own active websites. Illustration. Members can add site of their company by clicking on Home at our business search engine and choosing an appropriate category, as illustrated in the following examples. Example 1, Geographical Level. A potential member in Berlin, Germany, click on Europe, select Germany, and add the company's business in Berlin. Example 2, Business Level. A potential member can add the company's consulting business by clicking on Business and selecting Consulting. Example 3, Services Level. A potential member can add the company's IT services by clicking on Services and selecting IT. Example 4, Strategic Supply Level. A potential member can add the company's R&D company in the strategic supply chains of the cars industry. Example 5, Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR. A potential member with certified CSR for internal environment improvement can add the company at the CSR category, plus many more ever-growing categories. Approved added site is instantly visible in the open internet, and Interconsult 21's integrated, local, national and global concept, by embedding the business-to-business and customer-to-business search engine in the entire administrative divisions and cities of 239 countries.